What is up, guys? Your girl Danny B here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming at you guys today with a video on a 1-month update hair removal handset that I got from RoseSkinCo. Now guys, you know my channel is all about beauty tips, and whenever I come across something that works, I literally come here first to share it with you guys. So I absolutely love this handset, and I literally took like photos and videos along my journey to show you guys like, okay, this is how it works, this is what it feels like, and I'm honestly just so excited to share it with you guys. Okay, so let's get right into the video. I'm gonna do a quick little unbox just to show you what you're gonna get when it comes in the mail. Here's the handset. I chose rose gold. I love pink, absolutely love it. And this is a white cord that it comes with, and this is what you need in order for it to turn on, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in really quick, and I'm gonna plug this into the wall. And just before we get started, I'm gonna show you really quick how it works. So when you press the power button right here, it turns on. I know you can probably hear it. And then right here is the button that you press in order for, you know, to get the flash. So in order for the laser to start working. So as soon as you press this button, the laser will start to flash. And then really quickly, the different intensity levels, that's very important. It comes with a guide, and it literally shows you different skin tones and what's recommended for your specific skin tone. So to be safe, I chose intensity level 2, just because, you know, I've heard, you know, women of color do get laser burns, and I do want to avoid that as much as possible. And if you don't know what laser burns are, I'm going to show you right here. And it happens even with a handset. It can happen anywhere. It can even happen in a regular studio where they do it professionally. So it's inevitable. You just got to be smart about your intensity level. So like I said, I did level 2, and then I did level 3 on my last 2 sessions. But every time you press the home button, it goes up intensity. So this is intensity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Click it again, it goes back to intensity level 1. So before you get started, I'm going to turn this off really quickly. It is recommended, especially in the instructions, that you get a nice close shave first. So right here I have my shaving cream. I'm going to show you guys a demonstration on my arms. And I'm only going to do one arm so you can see the difference between the two when I finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my shaving cream on. You can see kind of like my hair is popping out. Okay. Yes, I am dry shaving. Don't judge me. Well, I'm gonna take my razor and I'm gonna go ahead and shave on camera. Okay. So my hairs are going this way, so I'm shaving downward. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off. And I know you're probably going to feel like your skin's going to be dry, but that is recommended that, you know, you don't have any excess oils or anything on your skin. Just have nice bare skin. Wow, this looks really freaking good. Okay, so, oh my gosh. So yes, this is how it looks, nice and bare. I don't know if you can tell the difference. All right, so let's get started. Now I'm going to turn on the Lumi like I showed you. You press the button like this, and I'm going to go ahead and start and click this button. Now, as the laser is going, never do it in the same spot. All right, so I'm going to show you here, and the light is very scary, but this is so painless, guys. It's ridiculous. So when I click it, it's going to go now. Oh my gosh. Whew. I know you see that light. And then I'm going to do it on the side so you can see. They do have an auto button, and that's when you just hold this button, and you know, you can kind of just glide, and it'll do it itself, so you're just literally gliding it. But I like to do it manually so I feel like I have some sense of control. But yes, there we go, nice and painless. It did not hurt at all. It actually felt very soothing. That's the plus about this, is that it literally does not hurt. But yes, that is how I did it. And let me see if you can see the difference. It even looks lighter. That's weird, but see how nice and silky smooth this one looks. And this one I didn't do anything to. So it does say on the guide that the Lumi came with that, you know, it might take up to 12 weeks for you to see the results that you want to. But for me, for some reason, I don't know, it worked for me in 4 weeks. So don't be a little discouraged if it's not happening within that 4 week span. Maybe it might take another month or 4 weeks or 6 weeks or maybe 8 weeks. You know, it all just depends on your skin and like the coarseness of your hair. Okay, so right here in this clip, you see right before my first session I ever used the Lumi, my hair was really coarse and thick. Then I got in the shower right after the video, did a close shave, and then started my first session with the Lumi right here. After this session, about a week later, this is how the hair grew back. Very thin, very fine. It didn't grow back fully as thick as the other during my first session, so that was great results right there. And then this was after my 4th session. My hair growth did not come back, and it was just so silky smooth. Well, last thing I'm going to add is make sure that you do add a lot of oil on your legs or like some type of moisturizer, lotion, because your pores are open and you just did an intense pulse of light on there. So you just want to make sure that you go ahead and soothe that area over. But yeah, let's just shift gears real quick, and I'm going to go ahead and answer some of the questions that you guys asked me on Instagram. Do you think it is worth the price? Absolutely. What? Like, for the amount it takes for 4 to 5 wax sessions, not even, probably less, like 3 to 4 wax sessions, that's the price of this handset. The handset goes for $189, and 3 or 4 wax sessions, what's that, 6 times 4, it's $240. So it's actually over what the price of this Lumi is. I think it's very well priced, very underrated. I love the affordability of it, and I also love the long-term lasting results that it offers. So that right there is just quality at a really good price. Any negative side effects that you had with it? Did you have burn marks or whatever? The only thing I am going to be honest and say, after my first session, I did get a little tingling on my legs, and I was like, oh God, like I'm about to get some burns on my legs. God, like, why did I do this? But after literally like 10 minutes or so, it just stopped, especially after I put like lotion and stuff on it. So, I mean, I don't know what that was, but ever since then, all the other sessions, I felt perfectly fine after. So that would be literally the only side effect I could say that I had. And the last question is, would you recommend it? I recommend this 1,000 times. Like I said, we've been through all these hair removals, the nair, the shaving, the waxing, and they're all annoying and they have terrible side effects. You know, the scarring, the discoloration, hyperpigmentation. This literally takes away all of that just because you're not doing all that harsh things to the skin. Once the lasering sessions are done, you're hair free and you're literally leaving that body part alone. So you're not really having those terrible side effects that the other ones give you. So yes, I absolutely 100% recommend this. And the best part about it is that you can literally do it in your own home. No more booking appointments. You can book your own appointment in your own house. Like, oh, okay. So that's what I said to myself. I was like, okay, Danny, when are you going to do your next session? Oh, let's do it Sunday around noon. So, you know, it's on your own time, your own pace. You know, when someone else is doing something for you, it just feels better when you do things yourself. I'm going to wrap up this video and just tell you guys, again, thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy to share this with you guys. I have so much more content coming. I'm going to go ahead and link everything below. I even have a discount code for you guys, so you can get 15% off. So other than $189, you'll get an additional 15% off, which is great with my code. And you can also use that $100 gift card that it comes with. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.